Okay, so I will do this here for you to help you with the rotation. Okay, so it says rotating of an image, a shape, a quarter, a half, and then a 3/4. If it was 4/4, it would be the same exact shape. So to do the first one, we're gonna do it at this point. And then I'm gonna just try to view what does it have. Well, it's 1, 2. So this point here, if I'm gonna move this, it has to be this point here. Okay, do you see what I mean? Because I'm just trying to see the distance between this and this is just 1. So between this and this, it's gonna have to be just 1. Okay, so this is the first step. And then it looks like 1 and then 2 up. So it's going to be 1 to the right and then 2 up. So this next one, as you can see, it's going to be from this one here. So it's like 2 and then 1. So therefore, it's going to be this line here. Okay, and then it looks like these are 2 pointed, and then this, and then this here. Okay, so this was my 3/4. Okay, now I do my other one. So again, 1 point, it has to be this, and then it looks like it's this, and then it's this. So this is my V, and then this here is my other completion of the V. C. Okay, and then here, again, same thing, it's this point here. So it's gonna go all the way up here, coming down here, and then going back here again. Okay, so it looks like a flower in a way. Okay, so this first one, that was 1/4. This was 2/4. And this here was a 3/4. It means 3/4 is how it's moving. Okay, so this is basically what you have to do with rotation. Okay. All right. And then you do the same thing for this next one. And then the second part of the worksheet, it says draw the rotation 1/4 and then half. And each picture shows a transformation. Name the transformation. What kind of transformations are these? And then you post your work here for me. Last but not least is this here, which is our last part of the worksheet. Let's make this fit and we'll talk about it. Okay, so this here is just going to be a review for everything you have learned. So this is really everything you need to know, but then this here is doing a review. So a shape has a rotation point of rotation, and then it's rotating. Okay, you could trace a paper on top of the corner P here, and then trace it again, and then you can hold it in the place with your pencil and then rotate it 3/4. So not all rotations are going to be very close. Sometimes they're like further, and that's why it would help if you have a piece of paper because you can rotate it around yourself. And then these here are just some examples. So rotate this 1/4 clockwise. You could do it that way, and then try to figure out, like, just cut it out in a piece of paper and then try to rotate it and see what would happen. Okay, and same thing goes with this one. And the next part here is just getting you to practice a little bit more. So it's just, reviewing everything we have done. Okay, and then post your work here. And then this here is just to give you extra practice with shapes. So any translating with this shape below, click on this shape and drag it to where it's new place. So now you can just, translate. This is being translated. Okay. And then this next one, this here, if you're doing reflection, then when you're reflecting it, you have to click on this point. Oh, click on this point, and then you would reflect the shape like this. Anyway, reflection. And then the last one would be rotation. Okay, this is it. And meet me if you need any help. I will be there to help you.